This is the third part of Metasploitable 1 walkthrough, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to get root access to the vulnerable machine, to the Metasploitable vulnerable machine, based on exploiting a vulnerability in the outdated version of Apache Tomcat. Okay, so first, running the nmap scan and figuring out that we have an Apache Tomcat running on port 8180 and the virtual GSP engine. So given that this version is outdated, and I've decided on running Metasploit to search for current exploits. And after running through multiple exploits and multiple payloads, I've decided on, first I'm gonna show you. Okay, the first module I used is, no, not this. After a couple of errors and trails, let me okay, now from here I used the auxiliary scanner HTTP Tomcat enumeration in order to have the possible username and password that are existed on the system. After setting the initial parameters and setting the URL manager, be sure to set that parameter in the Metasploit options. Okay, now the Metasploit have found the current usernames for the Tomcat manager, and then I used an exploit for this version of Tomcat, which is Tomcat manager deploy, this command. Okay, now setting the options here, make sure to set the port 8180 because by default Metasploit will set this port to 8180. Set the port to 8180 and the rhost, and set your the parameters or options for your payload. Be sure also to have the compatible payloads for your exploit to run. Then, given that the Tomcat manager is using some kind of default credentials, which are Tomcat and Tomcat, then we use exploit here, and one Metasploit session opened. I've tried to get the UID of the server is Tomcat 55, so it's like a restricted user or unprivileged user. So I've tried to use an exploit to, in part 1 of Metasploitable, we have seen that there is a vulnerability that if escalated or if taken advantage of would give you a privilege escalation on the vulnerable machine. So the vulnerability is, if you search for udev, okay, you will see that the exploit for the Linux version on which the Metasploit is running, and using that exploit, okay, the options you need to set is setting the current session. The current session you have is session 1, and the netlink PID. How to get the netlink PID? By returning back to session 1 here. Okay, issuing the command which is cat procnet netlink, and here the netlink PID is 2986. Okay, going back to session 1, setting the netlink PID 2986, and exploit will give you the root access here. Okay, hope you enjoyed.